Hello everyone, I'm Zach Friesen from Finance Bro, and today we're talking about timing the market versus time in the market. So I first learned this concept from Dave Ramsey. I started watching Dave Ramsey about 6 months ago. He helps people get out of debt. He has a big company basically helping people with their finances and basically living a debt-free lifestyle. And a really interesting concept that I took from watching his videos is time in the market versus timing the market. So timing the market is basically trying to predict when the stock is going to be at its lowest and then in turn selling it at its highest. Time in the market is basically buying a stock that you find value in and letting it sit there for who knows how long. Timing the market is often too good to be true, and as Matthew McConaughey in Wolf of Wall Street tells it,
okay, if you're Warren Buffett or if you're Jimmy Buffett, nobody knows if the stock is going to go up, down, sideways, or in fucking circles.
My favorite saying is that you can't lose money in the stock market if you don't sell. This is why time in the market is so much better than timing the market. If you would have invested in SPY, ETF that closely follows the S&P 500 10 years ago, you'd be looking at close to 300% returns on your money. So if you put $1,000 of investment into SPY, you would basically have $3,000 today. Or if you would have invested in Facebook even just 5 years ago, you'd be looking at 250% returns on your money. So if you would have put $1,000 into Facebook 5 years ago, you'd be looking at $2,500. Say you would have put $100,000 into Facebook, you would be looking at having $250,000 today. Or if you would have invested in Tesla 5 years ago, you'd be looking at 1,000% returns, which means if you had $1,000 invested in Tesla 5 years ago and didn't sell, you would have $10,000 to show for it today. I think you get the idea. Before you guys get any further in the video, I'm gonna need you guys to comment what your favorite investment is right now in the stock market. If you're here, you're probably invested in the stock market, so I want to hear what you guys have to say. My current favorite play in the stock market is Facebook. I think it has a lot of potential to go big, but what do you think your guys' best investment is right now? The more time you are thinking of when to get into a stock, when to get out of a stock, and you're holding on to your money, is the more time you're not letting your investment grow for you and make these great returns. Overall, my best advice, and I'm not even a financial advisor, so take my opinion with a grain of salt, but my best advice is to buy into companies that you believe in and don't panic. Snapchat took a dive last year and went from like $18 to $7, and today it just went up 22%. I think it's sitting at about $40. I panicked, sold when it was going down a lot, and I lost out on like 300% gains. Although I had like $100 in it, so it wasn't that much. But if I would have just let my investment have its time in the market, I would be, for $300 richer today, or $400 richer today, whatever it was. But yeah, that's my best advice, is to not panic, invest in companies you believe in, and let the money sit there. If hopefully you have income, keep funneling money into companies that you believe in. If you just keep putting money into companies you believe in, eventually they're gonna rise. Tesla, I believe in Tesla a lot. It's at $400 right now. $420 right now. I think it could be $1,000 like soon. So I'm definitely going to be looking into that. Put money into companies you believe in and do not panic. The moment that you panic and pull out of the stock market is the moment you lose in the stock market. And that's a quote straight from me. So, if you're going to be quoting that on your Instagram theme pages, be quoting me on that. I'm just kidding, someone's probably said it before. But yeah, that is going to be it for the video today, and we'll see you in the next video.